So I traveled to the motherland, Ti amo, Italy. The holy grail of pizza was sure to impress me. Well, it was kinda different, but I swear on my life, I will never, ever eat my pizza with a fork and knife. Never! Bada bing, history. I think you get the point. There ain't no better slice than a Jersey pizza joint. Bada bing, history. I think you get my point. There ain't no better slice than a Jersey pizza joint. Bada bing, kiss the ring, the king we will anoint. There ain't no better slice than a Jersey pizza joint. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, a Jersey pizza joint. Thank you guys, thank you. That is the New Jersey Pizza Joint anthem.
How do you feel? You feel confident? I mean...
Listen, there's not a question of confidence right now. I'm just more about coming out here with some great competition, great pizzerias, seeing who I can network with and what I can learn. That's more to me a win than bringing home the trophy.
Absolutely, that's all it's about. Having fun and cooking and eating. Nino!
How are you?
So where's your place at? North Jersey? Where at?
Yeah, so I'm in I just opened a spot called Connecticut's Old Fashioned in Morristown, New Jersey, and then I got 3 places.
In Morristown, South Jersey?
Morristown.
Morristown.
And you butcher. 13-time world champion, chop champion.
You want to chop?
Yeah, I want chop.
Oh, awesome. You're doing it the right way, though. Cheese on the bottom.
Yeah.
I love it with the cheese on the bottom, man.
Whole world.
So, I'm here with Artie Pasquale. Did you have any pizza today?
I had a little bit of this and a little bit of that, but I heard that your pizza is the best, and your meatballs are the best. I'm sitting here with a famous person, Frankie Meatball from Philadelphia.
You're the guy.
I heard about it. I'm the guy? No, I'm not.
I heard you're the guy.
No, I'm the guy. We all got guys. Anyway, it's a great occasion here. I'm sitting here with Frankie. He's walking around. A lot of nice people for a good cause.
This is your third competition you're in.
It is.
Right? How do you
great.
feel?
I feel great. I'm ready to go. It's all about, good dough, good sauce, and good cheese to me.
I'm here with Dana at Pizza Bowl 3, and you made some meatballs, and you placed third. How do you feel?
Just, no matter where we placed, I was just excited to be here. Be nominated for our meatballs is a big compliment, so we're thrilled to be here.
Nice, nice. And you said this was your first year?
This was our first time nominated, and we're so happy to be here. Our old family recipe, and we're just happy to be here.
Do you have any secrets?
A lot of love.
I make the mozzarella 17 times a day. I make the mozzarella as long as you pay. La mozzarella è troppo bella. La mozzarella
So you got to be pumped, right?
I'm very
You won
pumped.
last year. You're going to the finals, correct?
Yes, we won North Jersey so far.
So what makes your meatballs better than everybody else?
Well, we use
you put more love in it?
You always put love in whatever you're doing. To me, the meatball comes from the family values and the tradition of the Italian family, Italian Americans, that we use quality meats. We use good stuff, good measurements of what we use. It's a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a little bit of heart and soul what comes from our country 100 years ago from our forefathers and grandparents who came here.
When you first get offered the opportunity to judge, you don't realize that you're really going to take it seriously. So, like stuff we're looking for as judges, I used to own a pizzeria years ago. Among meatballs, for instance, is the meatball large?
You're the real deal. You're making notes.
Oh yeah. Is the meatball a large meatball, a small meatball? Is it breadcrumbs or a whole bread that they mixed in? Is the sauce a pulpy crushed tomato or is it a straight tomato sauce? That's all different flavor, right?
What do you prefer?
Depends on my mood. I usually go for a larger meatball that is very soft and barely holding together, usually made with a crushed roll. And I like sauteed onions and garlic in it as opposed to raw. It's moist. And I like a pulpy sauce. That's just my personal.
So how we doing today?
I'm doing very good, man. How about you?
I'm doing good. You got some notes? You enjoying the food or what?
Yeah, this is what it's all about, man. Like I said earlier, I'm part Italian. I'm black Italian.
My man.
Can I get a round of applause for the businesses that came and these representing and the folks walking out of this kitchen right now? There's a lot of people that have left us. We thank them for their sacrifice today. No easy task. Thank you so much.
Coming in first place for the second year in a row. Number one.
Wow.
Pizza Amore.
Wow. Somebody video this. Two-time champion right there. Wow, John Speciale. Unbelievable. Stepping up to the microphone.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Stephen Baker. Thank you for I want to thank everybody for coming out. Thank you, big guy. I want to say thank you, number one. All right, you guys are the best. You're doing this for everybody in tunnels and towers. Come on, man. This is a great place. Look at all the Italians and people that are in this house. We got some Irish too, right? That's okay. They're good people. Look, this morning I made these meatballs, and I tell you what, it was very, very heartfelt. You know, there was a lot of heart and soul going into those things, I'm telling you right now. And my family and my parents, my grandparents, it's the recipe of love. And we all have a great meatball. I know you do. Everybody did a great job. And thank you again. Let's do this again next year.
The winner, the purple plate.
Oh yeah.
Number 4.
I picked
purple plate.
Yeah, I'll pick that.
4. Purple.
Caniglio.
Yeah, I picked you, Caniglio. He is one of the hardest working pizza guys around. I love this guy. Congratulations.
Gotta wear the hat.
I'm so happy for you, man. Congratulations.
Come here. Thanks, brother. Yeah,
Don't get nervous.
So, no, I'm a little emotional right now. We opened 2 months ago in New Jersey. Coming back to New Jersey is a big day for me and my family. We just have this beautiful girl. I can't thank my wife enough. I can't thank my son and Tavolino for all the hard work they've done. I wouldn't be here without any of them. And thank you to the world, guys. We'll keep on trying our hardest. Very best pieces. Yeah,
I'm very excited. Thank you very much. Thank you for having us. And she behaved very well all day. So.
I'm so happy to be here. This is amazing. This award, it means so much.
Hey, nothing.
Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave.
Thanks everybody, and it's a pleasure to team up with Dino Connectio. It's actually what he can.
I feel great, buddy. Let me tell you something. I met another meatball guy. Look at this, baby. Look at this.
2 years in a row. How do
We'll
you
see
feel?
you again next year.
Johnny C.
How you doing?
What a job you did tonight, man.
Thank you.
Fabulous job. Now,
Thank
no
you.
wonder why they call you the capo of the kitchen, because you were the boss and you ran this shit.
Listen, I love the kitchen. I've been in the kitchen since 6 years old. You know, I love the smell of it. You know, even the gunk that gets on your shoes when you come home and a day in the kitchen. You got to appreciate the hard work. You know.
So, Johnny C's, you got a pizza place? Or what do you
I don't.
do,
You know, I just I'm a pizza critic, and I just recommend great pizza. I don't rate. I just recommend, and I enjoy it. And I'm a banker by day, and I'm a pizza critic by night. And that means I know how to deal with the dough.
Oh!
You know?
That's the best way, man.
Yeah.
So, how many years you been doing this? This is your third one? You've been here since the beginning?
Third Pizza Bowl. I joined Guy Madsen when we had 1,100 members. And, you know, I said, this is a great thing you're doing, Guy. I would love to put my content on it, do what I do and share it on Jersey Pizza Joints. It helped me actually get the word out about the hard work of pizzerias. And that's why I do it. When I moved from North Jersey to St. Tom's River, I always thought down the shore you're not going to find good food. There's great places. Look, tonight, Capone's got to the finalists down at Tom's River. So that's why I love sharing about pizza and great food. Well, it's a great day to be the kitchen capo. I enjoy it. You know, it's just keeping the guys going here in the kitchen is key. And Pizza Bowl 4, I can't wait. We're getting bigger every year.
That's great.
And I'm excited. I'm excited.
Great. Well, like I said, you were a boss today.
Thank you.
You were running in and out like a madman. I love it, man.
Thank you, brother. It's all about it.
We'll see you next time, brother.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.